Presenting Canon EOS 1500D 24.1 digital SLR camera in the color black. This camera comes in two style variants, 18 to 55mm with 55 to 250mm lens and EF-S 18 to 55. It also comes in two combo variants of camera with black headphone and camera with tripod and filter. This camera is equipped with APS-C CMOS sensor along with 24.1 megapixel to capture all the perfect shots. With ISO of 100 to 6400 sensitivity range, this camera captures grain-free pictures even in low light. The Digic 4 Plus image processor along with 9 autofocus points ensure speed and accuracy. You can record full HD video with fully manual control and selectable frame rates. With Wi-Fi, NFC and Bluetooth built-in, you can control the camera remotely and transfer the images as well as the video footages wirelessly. Inside the box, you will find Canon EOS 1500D camera, EF-S 18 to 55 IS2 lens, strap, battery charger, battery pack and 16GB SD card. The camera comes with 2 years manufacturer warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Presenting the Nikon D3500 24.2 megapixel digital SLR camera. It uses a CMOS image sensor that ensures focusing is smooth, accurate and fast. Coupled with the XSpeed 4 image processor, the camera enables you to capture high-quality photographs in Full HD. Capturing moving objects is easy with the camera's 11-point autofocus system that seamlessly maintains focus. It comes with a 3.0-inch LCD screen and offers Full HD video recording. Its ISO 100 to ISO 25600 sensitivity range allows you to capture high-quality photography in a wide range of lighting conditions. The user-friendly camera comes with auto mode and guide mode, where you can follow simple on-screen guidance to capture images. This camera comes with connectivity options like Wi-Fi, NFC and Bluetooth to transfer your images and videos. This camera comes with lens, 16GB memory card, carry case and camera bag. The camera is available for purchase with 18 to 55mm and 70 to 300mm lens. This Nikon D3500 comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail the EMI option. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, presenting the Canon EOS 200D2 24.1 megapixel digital SLR camera. It comes along with two lenses. Canon 200D2 comes in a compact and lightweight design, making it suitable for carrying around. The camera comes with 3.0-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD monitor that can be rotated for clicking selfies. The EOS 200D2 features a 24.1 megapixel APS-C size CMOS sensor and the Digic 8 image processor, enabling you to shoot in low-light conditions such as at night or even indoors without compromising on image detail. Dual-pixel CMOS autofocus and a vari-angle touchscreen LCD panel enable you to focus and capture your subject easily while in live view mode. The 9-point autofocus AF during optical viewfinder shooting covers a wide area of the frame to keep track of your subjects with high precision to give you a good shot. Canon 200D2 records Full HD 4K videos to give you high-quality video work. Inside the box, you will find the EOS 200D2 body, EF-S 18 to 55 IS STM, EF-S 55 to 250 IS STM, battery pack, lens cap, battery charger, iCarb. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other method. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers.
Presenting Sony digital vlog camera ZV-1 in black. It has a vari-angle LCD screen and 4K movie recording with video IAF and real-time tracking. The 20.1 megapixel camera comes with Sony Bluetooth wireless shooting grip and image stabilization, and features one-touch bokeh control and built-in directional 3-capsule microphone. The box contains the camera, Bluetooth shooting grip, 2 rechargeable battery pack, micro USB cable, windscreen adapter